Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to share iCloud stories with family on iPhone. So, sharing iCloud stories with your family on iPhone is a convenient way to ensure everyone has enough space for backups, photos, and other iCloud content. So, here is how you can do that. Firstly, go to your iPhone settings and tap on your name at the top of the screen. So, after you tap on your name, you will see the family sharing option available right below the Find My. Tap on it and set up family sharing first. Then continue with the process. So you will need to designate a family organizer and invite family members to join your family group here. Tap on invite others or create child account depending on whether the person you are adding already has an Apple ID. Follow the prompts to create a child account if necessary. You may need to provide parental consent and set up screen time and other parental controls for the child account. So after you are done with it, let's go back to the settings and tap on the iCloud option available there. So if you are not already subscribed to an iCloud storage plan, tap on change storage plan and select the storage plan that best suits your family's needs. Keep in mind that you will need a plan that offers enough storage for everyone in your family. Follow the prompts to subscribe to the plan and enter your payment information. So after that, simply go to the settings again and tap on your name and tap on the family sharing again. So in there, tap on the subscription option available there and tap on iCloud, and you will have to obviously upgrade the iCloud to the iCloud Plus to continue with the process. So yeah, you can see that I have not any iCloud Plus in my iPhone available at the moment, but if you have, then you can continue with the process. So simply tap on the manage subscription option available in top, and after you tap on the manage subscription, you can see share with family option toggled on there, and if it is turned off, then simply turn it on. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.